Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Naomi for those of you who are new. Today's video is going to be an exciting unboxing and review. I've just picked up something brand new from Balenciaga, as you can see by the title, and I'm so excited. I've wanted these for ages now and I just thought they were so cute, so let's just jump straight on into it. Just before that, I just want to say don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. So opening up the box, ooh, there was like tissue and everything, but I just couldn't wait. So you do have like the trainers, the dust bag, like authenticity card, extra shoelaces. They did include quite a lot, so that's great. The main attraction is the trainers themselves. These are so cute. I'm obsessed. Obviously I got them in the white because I just fancied them. These are the track 1 trainers, retailing for £615, but you can pretty much get these on sale right now on Louisa Veramona for like 20% off, and on flannels right now for 20% off, dropping them down to £492. So an actual bargain right now, because like trainers from Balenciaga never go on sale. With these they have a couple different textures. There's more of like a rubberized nylon, so this is going to be kind of more of a protective layer for the white, and then you've got this kind of honeycomb style mesh fabric on like the inner portions, so it's going to keep your feet nice and like cool. And Balenciaga just as like a touch in the shoe, like most soles do. Balenciaga just on the outer portion of the shoe and also on the tongue of the shoe, along with track being right at the back of the shoe as well. On the shoe you have a couple reflective layers, so just here, and some of the silvers show up a little bit more reflective, so you don't just have just the all white, you do have a couple different tones in the actual shoe as well. I preferred the track 1 to the track 2 because I found they looked a little bit more messy and they were a little bit too designed here, whereas this just looked like there's something to it but it's not too crazy. Also you've got the double kind of butterfly effect of the shoelaces, so it does come with 2, and you can obviously make them as tight. You can bring it up higher than they already do it for you, or you can leave them quite far down. So I got these trainers in a size 7 UK. I normally wear a size 8. These are a 41 EU size, because I find Balenciaga do fit a lot bigger than most other shoes. So I would recommend sizing down, even if you don't think that you're going to need to size down, because they do fit a lot bigger, and they like, otherwise it's going to be too big and it's going to be uncomfortable. And they're the same size as my triple S trainer as well. That's why I ended up ordering these in this size instead of like my true size. I already know that I absolutely love these shoes, so I'm going to give these a thumbs up if you are looking to purchase any. I think they are so stylish, and I think they just look so cute with any outfit. Paired with jeans, a skirt, a dress, like anything, they look really stylish and really just jazz up the outfit. I'm just obsessed with them completely, and if you are looking, I would totally recommend buying them, especially right now because you can get them on sale. I really want to get the black ones because they are so freaking cute, and I know I'd get so much wear out of the black ones. If you did enjoy this video, thumbs up and subscribe. Check out one of my previous videos linked on the screen, and I will see you next time. Bye!